Welcome to the second pit of this demonstration. This is once again, so the last pit that we saw, one thing I didn't discuss is that these are soils that are derived from alluvium, so ancient alluvium, which means that it was carried by water. And this material is hundreds of feet or thousands of feet deep to bedrock. It's all the stuff from the mountains that are surrounding over thousands of years, infilling and then flattening and having water transported across it over all this time. So what you see whenever we're digging in the valley like this, we're just seeing this pile of material that was water delivered. Okay, so with that you can get a lot of variability. The last pit not so much, but this pit we do see quite a difference in texture, and if you get a difference in texture in a system like this, it's because the water is moving at different speeds over the course of hundreds of years. So if you have something that's sandy, that means that the water was being carried fast over it. If something finer, it means the water was much slower. Okay. I'm just going to kind of discuss these horizons. So basically, the surface horizon, I broke this out from what's below it because the surface horizon doesn't have these calcium carbonate concentrations. It's darker and it's a different texture. And you can see there's a lot of roots in here as well. Once you get below that, the roots drop out and you start to get these calcium carbonate concentrations. And after this video, I'm going to provide another short video that's a demonstration of how we observe that in the field. And then below that, so the other thing about this horizon that's just below the surface is that it has much higher clay, and evidence of clay being transported into that horizon from the surface, and it's just heavier. So below that, however, you get quite a bit coarser material at the very bottom here, and down there where it's coarser is also where the water table comes up. So you have evidence of that water table once again, and it's very pronounced in this pit. So in that short video that follows this one, I will show you what we call redox concentrations, the rusting that I was talking about in the last video. So other than that, I think that pretty much sums up this soil pit. So we'll move on to the short video.